How to drain a car battery. Draining a car battery intentionally is not a common practice, but there are scenarios where it might be necessary. Whether you need to perform certain maintenance tasks, reset your vehicle's computer systems, or prepare a car for long-term storage, understanding how to safely and effectively drain a car battery is essential. This guide will walk you through the process, emphasizing safety and proper procedures. Why would you need to drain a car battery? Common reasons: maintenance. Certain repairs or installations might require a completely drained battery. Resetting systems. Draining the battery can reset the electronic systems in some vehicles. Storage preparation. For long-term storage, some prefer to drain the battery to prevent degradation. Safety precautions. Before attempting to drain a car battery, consider the following safety precautions. Wear protective gear. Use gloves and safety glasses to protect against acid and sparks. Work in a well-ventilated area. Car batteries emit hydrogen gas, which can be hazardous. Avoid open flames. Hydrogen gas is highly flammable. Disconnect battery safely. Always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent short circuits. Tools and materials needed. Wrench or socket set. Battery terminal puller. Optional. Voltmeter or multimeter. Insulated gloves. Safety glasses. Load tester or dummy load. Optional. Step-by-step guide. Prepare your workspace. Ensure your workspace is well ventilated and free from any open flames or sparks. Gather all the necessary tools and materials. Turn off the vehicle. Make sure the car is turned off and the keys are removed from the ignition. This ensures no accidental electrical surges. Disconnect the battery. Locate the battery. Most car batteries are under the hood, but some might be in the trunk or under the back seat. Remove negative terminal. Remove positive terminal. Drain the battery. There are a few methods to drain a car battery, but using a load tester or dummy load is the safest and most efficient way. Using a load tester, connect the load tester to the battery terminals. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to apply a load to the battery. Monitor the battery voltage with a voltmeter or multimeter until it reaches 0 volt. Confirm the battery is drained. Use a voltmeter or multimeter to check the battery's voltage. It should read 0 volts, indicating that the battery is fully drained. Recharge the battery. After performing the necessary tasks, recharge the battery using a battery charger. Follow the charger's instructions carefully to avoid overcharging. Conclusion: draining a car battery should be done with caution and proper knowledge to avoid damage and ensure safety. By following the steps outlined above, you can effectively and safely drain a car battery for various purposes.